Alright guys, I'm going to take you around it real quick, and then we're going to talk about a few things. Ain't this sucker looking good? I'm trying out another camera. It's GoPro Hero 11 with the media mod, so tell me if the audio is doing okay. And we might use this in future videos. I bought this for the helmet cam, but I wanted to try it in today's video because I was, out here and it was snowing earlier, but so I was worried about the big guy. Here we go. Got her pretty much done up. Okay guys, so this build here is nearing completion. The one and only thing we have left to do is get some doors. And if doors don't come out for this thing soon, I'm gonna make my own. I know there's a company out there that sells the doors, but I don't want somebody else's company on here. I just don't. This is R.N.G. It's got to be an R.N.G. build. If there is another company that's an aftermarket manufacturer, we're willing to support that, but we don't want dealer names on our stuff. No. I just don't. So we want to thank John Hester for the awesome Elka shocks we got from him. Them things are amazing. I would love to take it for a ride in this video, but why can't we ride it, Laura?
Our ECU is sent out.
We sent the ECU out to get tuned, and I'll be testing a tune for you guys, so stay tuned on that. But as soon as we get the ECU tuned and plugged in, keep an eye on that video, and in that video we will do the ride and show you guys how it rides. But for now, we're gonna have to push it back in. Yeah. We got the light bar. I do sell these light bars. These light bars are nice. I do sell these light bars on my website, www.rngperformance.net. These tires, I'm gonna try to have a complete list of everything I've done to this rig in links down below. I'm gonna try for you guys. But if not, if you go to my YouTube channel and select UForce 1000 builds, the whole build along the way will be in there. And those of you, we did the custom headlights as you've seen in the B-roll. We want to thank Tyler from Bristol Fab. He's the one that fabbed up this awesome front bumper and the headache rack. He said he wants to do these full time. I know you guys are saying, Red, those look so heavy. They're not. Here's the thing. This bumper weighs about 30 pounds. I pulled 10 to 15 pounds of stuff off of here to put it on. So we only gained 15, maybe 20 pounds there. That's not a huge deal. The headache rack, it's about 50-ish pounds. It is on the heavier side, but we wanted something that wasn't gonna flop all over the place and be flimsy. So we were going to do it out of aluminum, but we did it out of steel. It's a little on the heavy side, but it's not bad. I've seen some of you guys, what you do to these things. The headache rack should be the least of your worries. Now there's a lot of people asking, can you do the headache rack with a winch up top? The answer is no. Listen, it's all plastic. It bolts to plastic. It can't handle a winch or a crane or whatever you guys are trying to do. At that point, you might as well fab up a whole aluminum style bed and make it stronger, and then do something like that. But this bed, no, no, it's not gonna happen. So those of you keep asking about the tablet, what tablet we use. It's just a tablet off Amazon. I'll have a link down below. The steering wheel, you guys are asking me how we got the steering wheel on there. I do sell the adapters on my website. You're more than welcome to order one. I only stock about 5 at a time because I didn't know how big, how popular it would be. So I stocked 5 of those at a time. I think I have 1 in stock at this time. So you can pre-order those. They take about 3 weeks to get, roughly. If you want them and I start seeing orders, I'll stock 50 of them at a time. I have sold about 15 of them so far, which seems to be okay. The wrap, we got the wrap from Speed Stickers. They did a heck of a job on this wrap. Very nice quality wrap. Some people have messaged me and said, Red, this stuff is cheap. It's no better than the factory stickers. I have to beg to differ. Now, do they sell a cheaper wrap than what they sent me? Maybe they do. I don't know which one they sent me, the material wise. I didn't get no paperwork. This was sponsored to us for free to do a video to show you guys how to install them. Other than that, I get no kickback, just a free wrap, and I'm a-okay with that. I'm not money hungry. So this was a good quality wrap. They might have sent me the best one that they had. I'm not sure. I think they have 3 choices or 2 choices. They have more than one choice in quality. This is good quality wrap. Very good quality. Next, we have to thank our sponsor, Oxbeam. Oxbeam has been with my channel since I had like 200 subscribers. And anytime and every time I reach out to them and ask them for something, they send it, no questions asked. Now, they didn't sponsor these ones. Guarantee you they would have, but I don't like asking for everything for free. Okay? They did, however, send me the ones that are in the rear of the machine for free, but I didn't want to get too greedy, so I went and I purchased these with our own money. I guarantee you I could have asked them, they'd have sent them. They've sent us so much stuff.
They have.
They've sponsored us so much stuff for all of our builds, and they are just awesome to work with. Anytime I've ever had an issue, I message them, they take care of you. I've also heard other people say the same thing that are not YouTubers. So I wouldn't say they're doing it just because I'm a YouTuber. I would say they're doing it because they care. And I'll tell you right now, since I've been working with them for how many years now, I've only had to deal with 2 separate people. One of those people left for a better job. So I must say it might be a good place to work too, because 2 people in all them years, and it's just in the last year I think that the lady left. Now that lady continued to support me at the other place they went to, which was freaking awesome. I thank you, Wendy. You're freaking awesome. So now, what else do we want? I want to show you guys the back rack. So Oxbeam did sponsor us these whips. They did sponsor us these whips and those LED lights. So I felt bad. I didn't want to ask for any more. You know what I mean? So I got them with my own money up there, and that's fine. The headache rack, it turned out fantastic. Now, I want to say something about this here unit. When you're driving the trails, this bed just shakes and rattles all over the place. I have tried to adjust the pegs. I adjusted the pegs so tight that you have to slam it to close it, and it still rattles. Now, I'm hoping that this thing kind of keeps that from happening, because it is annoying. Tailgate opens and closes pretty decent. I mean, no arguments there. But these are also got our turn signals in them, which we still haven't tried out. We're gonna try that out.
Yeah.
We know they power on.
Yeah.
We didn't try the turn signals.
Yeah.
But these do have our turn signals in them. These are gonna be the backup lights. We have the Super ATV front and rear windshields, which we have to thank them because they didn't send them to us for free, but they gave us a very nice discount to help out the channel. So huge thank you to Super ATV. We do appreciate you guys. You guys have helped us out on a lot of things and helped us grow in the past and in the future and present. You guys are awesome to work with. Anytime I have a question, I message them, and they usually reply almost as fast as I do to you guys. And that's really good because they're like 50 times bigger than me. So,
Yeah.
So guys, if you have any questions about this build that I might have missed in this video and could answer for you, let me know down in the comments below, and we'll be more than happy to answer your questions and take care of you. If you guys know where I can get some good half doors that are not branded by a dealer, they can be branded by Super ATV or any other company that specializes in this stuff. I want to support them, but I don't want to support a dealer unless it's buying a unit, and I want to be able to pick that dealer. So, I'm not talking anything bad. That's fine. I'm glad that other dealers are jumping in and doing things, but I want to be able to support the people of my choice, and you should be able to support the people of your choice. That's the way it should be, and that's the way I want it to be. So if you live in Canada or wherever, Australia, and you can get me some bad to the bone half doors, let me know, because I will pay you to get them for me, and I'll pay shipping, and I'll pay for the doors. So you heard me right. I will pay you for your trouble of doing it for me. So let me know, or if you know a dealer that can help me out, that'd be freaking awesome.
Yes.
All right, guys. Thank you for stopping in and watching today's video. We truly appreciate each and every one of you. We've came a very long way in the last, how many years? Since 2017, we've been doing CFMOTO stuff. We've came a long way, and it's all thanks to you guys. And we want to let you know that we love all of you. Peace out, and God bless. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye,
or maybe
guys.
Laura's, one of the two. Bye.